Lang yan. Halimaw pala itong cellphone na to. Okay guys, it's week again. It's B and Fat Biker Studio. And if it's your first time to tune in to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, okay? Like and share na rin po at nabubulol na naman tayo. Blah blah blah. Okay, since it's weekend, it's gadget review and unboxing again. Again, quick review only. Unboxing tayo. And then later on, succeeding videos to reveal a lot of technical reviews on this new gadget. Ano itong gadget nga? Anong gadget nga ito? Nabubulol ako, okay? Well, sabi nga, huli man daw at magaling ay huli pa rin. Okay? This is what we call the iPhone 12 Pro Max 128GB. Ang kulay ay graphite. Oh, graphite ano ba ito? Graphite. Graphite gray, graphite, whatever sa may graphite. So medyo matagal nga dumating to kasi ang in-order ko ay yung kulay blue nga nila na limited edition. Talagang tagal natin. Wala talaga. So no choice tayo. At papag-iulan na po tayo. So we grab this one, the 128GB graphite color or variant for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Again, take note, iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, let's start opening this one. Okay, this will be my latest gadget, no, myself. As you can see, nagsimula tayo before sa iPhone 4S, before Android tayo way back. Almost, I think 2014, 2013, something like that. iPhone 4S tayo. Then lahat ginapang natin, no? And then hanggang iPhone X na limited edition. So yun yung pinaka last na cellphone ko na ginagamit ko ngayon, and it's totally great. Okay? And I did not jump over to the iPhone 11 Pro Max kasi wala akong masyadong na-feel na something technically great until this iPhone 12 ang lumabas niya. Okay? Medyo late nga lang. Then let's start unboxing this one. Take note. Unboxing and then quick power up. How it does it look like, okay? So again, let's unbox this one. This 128GB graphite, 128GB iPhone 12 Pro Max. As you can see, no, the box very thin na lang siya. Masyadong maliit na, okay? So makikita unlike before, ang kakapal, di ba? Kulay white. So the last time na meron tayong ito yung ating iPhone X, malaki yung box. So let's start opening this one. Okay. The box itself, well, totally legit, original. Okay, speaking of original, no, sa mga bibili dyan, especially those iPhone or Apple products, no, sa boxing pa lang, sa plastic, dapat easy to tanggal. Okay, take note, easy to tanggal the sumabit. Okay, madali lang tanggalin. One snap lang, tanggal kagad yung wrap on. That means that's the original. May mga lumalabas, especially produced by other country, na talagang parang nakana siya. Parang naka-vacuum seal, tas plastic. Okay, that's an imitation. Take note of that one. Let's see if this is imitation or original Apple product. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's Apple product original. Okay, there you go. So natanggalan natin. At ito ang kanyang box. Talagang napakaliit. Okay. Halimaw talaga. Halimaw talaga to. Okay. Ano tsura ng halimaw? Ganyang kahalimaw. Okay. The box around almost an inch. Almost 1 inch lang ang thickness ng box. Talagang ano laman? Okay. Oh, there you go. Guys, the iPhone 12 Pro Max Graphite. Gray. Okay. So, unang tumambad sa atin ay itong enormous or gigantic camera. So, 3 camera. So, on those technical details, no? So, pag-uusapan natin yan later in the succeeding videos, no? This video just covered the unboxing of this iPhone 12 Pro Max and powering it up. Okay? Let's check how fast it is. Okay. Tabi muna natin to. Okay. Tabi muna natin si iPhone 12 at so makikita nyo something, okay, I don't know kung nagtitipid si Apple or just trying to contribute something on the environment. Okay, makikita nyo, ito na lang po ang maliit na mga manual, catalogs, instruction, napakaliit. Okay, at ang laman, of course, hindi nawawala ang ating mahiwagang panundot. Okay guys, panundot. And take note guys, Ano bang lagi niya nakikita maliban sa panundot? Yung dalawang sticker, no? Yung dalawang sticker ng Apple. Sorry guys, nag-iisa na lang, okay? Sino may gusto na ito? Okay. So yan na lang. So parang konting-konti na lang laman, no? Minimalist. And then as you can see, okay, wala na. Ito na lang. Wala na. Meron kang charging cable. Pero yung charging cable mo, of course, going to the iPhone, still a standard connector, but yung going sa charging adapter, it's Type-C. Okay? We need to find a Type-C adapter, okay, and able to get those charging option, okay. I think there's still available, no, on the market, the ready-made na charging port na Type-C. So check my link description below, and you will get a lot of surprises with all those links in Shopee. So all about the Apple products, anything under the sun of Apple, no. So mga accessories, check the below description, guys. Check the link. You will get a lot of discounts and, you know, some surprises. So maybe may mga, ayaw ko lang kung hahabot pa itong video na to sa cashback, okay? So yun lang guys, no? Yun lang yung laman itong iPhone 12 na to. So let's see, dito na tayo tumingin. So this is the back of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, no? So kung makikita mo, parang talagang panghalimaw. Parang halimaw, yung tsura ng halimaw. Ganyan. Okay. Ano nga daw ulit? Ganyan, no? Pangit tsura. Okay, sa backside nakikita nyo yung graphite, no? So ibang-iba. Unlike nung iPhone 12, iPhone 10 ka before, ibang style. So makikita nyo, para siyang ngayon, babasagin. Okay. Sa edges naman, no, makikita nyo yung edges. Ganda ng edge. Unlike previous mga iPhone, like the iPhone 10 again, may last. Curve siya. Curve. Kaya parang pwedeng madulas. Ito, hindi. Makaka-grip ka na. Pwede ka na makagrip. So may kantuan siya. I think it's similar, yung ganitong design na mayroong kantuan sa bezel niya is iPhone 4S. My first iPhone 4S is almost the same. Pero ang ganda niya. Silky smooth. Kitang-kita siya, no? Ganda, parang siyang titanium yung itsura nga, no? So nandito pa rin yung mga trademark na silent on, silent off, button for the increasing, decreasing the volume, and power on. Okay, nandito pa rin siya. At ang Type-C, Type-C tuloy, ang charging, okay, charging port ng cellphone na to. So as you can see, no, sa backside nandito yung tatlong halimaw na Class S na halimaw na mga camera, which I will discuss later on the succeeding videos, no, para dito sa mga technical details. And I think the LiDAR features, okay, of this cellphone nandito na. Kapareho nung ginawa natin o features din ni Apple iPad 2020 with 12.9 inches. Ganun, almost kapareho sila. Okay? And then, so makikita nyo, no? Pag unbox nyo, may cover pa. Mayroon pang plastic cover. So sa plastic, di siya paper. So let's try to open it. Ooh, wala. Oops, dumikit. There you go, guys. Ganyan kalaki. Okay? Ganyan kalaki ang cellphone na to. Okay? Super laki. So I think this will be my biggest or largest cellphone I ever had, and I will start using it. Obserbahan natin, and after a week, siguro after 2 weeks or after 1 month, we'll take a review on this one, anong performance. And I will have a separate review as well dun sa mga technical features. What will be my 5 highlights of this iPhone 12 Pro Max. So watch out for that. Malay mo, magbato tayo ng mga giveaways again, and watch out all my video and questions, no, in the middle of the videos. Doon ko binabato yung mga giveaways question ko. Okay, let's start now powering this up, how fast it is. Okay, tingnan natin. Kagaya ng ginagawa natin mga technical reviews sa mga ibang cellphone before. Let's start. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay. 9 or 10 seconds. Probably, nasa first time niya na mag-open siya. So that's why, para mag-factory setting, that's why it become around 9 or 10 seconds. Or less the margin of error on my counting. Let's say mga 7 seconds ang powering up. So there you go guys, no? So we're going to start up now and make a setup on this iPhone 12 Pro Max, and there you go guys. So this is the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and watch out for the succeeding videos about this one. And thanks for supporting, watching this halimaw class S na halimaw na cellphone I ever had. Okay guys, this is Will for Bagger Studio. Don't forget to tune in again on my next video giveaways, mga aking televiewing, no? So don't forget about the succeeding video. Okay, the question, don't worry, the drone will coming back. The drones, not drone, drones with S will be coming back to get you guys, and it will be yours. Okay guys, so stay tuned, happy weekend, stay happy, bye bye.